Okay, this is the Alleyman. I've been using Zmodeler for quite some time. Made a couple of models for San Andreas. I'd like to show you how to texture in Zmodeler. So I'm going to start off with making a simple box like this. Okay, and I've got a left view window, my UV mapper window, a 3D window, and a perspective window opened here. As you can see here, here's my simple little box here. Go to faces mode, click on that. You can tell it's in faces mode because each face has a red dot in the center. I'm going to take this side right here, select that single, right click, selected mode on. I'm going to go to my materials editor, create new material, and I'm going to type in the name of the texture I'm using. Test texture, that's what I'm going to be using. Change this to white so it'll show up nice and bright. In the first box down here in the texture layers, I'm going to add that texture. Click on it first and then OK. Then you assign to selection. And there you go. As you can tell, it's not in the correct way, or it's sideways and backwards. So what you have to do is to create a new mapping texture to that, and the way you do it is you go to your vertex mode where you see all your vertices on the whole model, and you can see the normals, these green lines from the one that you have selected. You want to right click in the left view window, because that's where I have my texture on, mapping, edit UV, and you want to generate new option. Click OK, and you see how it tiled the texture on that one face. So we're going to have to adjust it to where it's all centered in this one area. The way you want to do that is, since you've got it textured on there, you go to your UV mapper window, click material, and the name of your texture will be listed. Click on that, and you can see the outline of your polygon or your face that you're texturing to and your texture. Go to object mode, make sure that selected mode is off, and if you just place it in the center inside the outline of your face or your polygon, it'll highlight in blue, and then you can move it. Modify, move. I'm going to place it right in the center. Zoom it in a bit. What I like to do is I like to go to vertex mode, make sure it's highlighted blue, click, and you can see all four of your vertices. I use select quadra option. I go right click, hold, drag. I'm going to select the top two, selected mode on, and Y axis because I'm bringing it down like so. Deselect them, select the bottom ones, go up like so, get the two on the sides, X axis, move in. You can see there how it's getting adjusted in the perspective view window. There we go. Much better. As you can see that in the UV mapper window, it's facing the other direction. Now if you want that to be exactly the same, what you want to do is go to object mode, select all of it. With your x-axis turned on, you want to do mirror. And if you click inside the UV mapper, it flipped it all the way to the other side. Even though it's not on your texture, this is tiled all through this whole area. So you could either move it on here or leave it as is. It's up to you. I'll move it over to where it's sitting right on top. I've still got my x-axis on, so it moves left and right. Set it right on there. Deselect it, and as you can see, it's mapped on there. That's what you do. Thank you very much.